Phrases is a smart filter located under the Analytics header. This filter is populated with groups of 2, 3, and 4-word phrases that are located within your documents. Up to 1 million phrases are generated by default when data is first published to the analysis application. Let's open the Phrases filter. The Phrases filter shows terms and context, helping you to more quickly target key documents for review. Let's input the term money in the type ahead box. Phrases containing this word are displayed in document count order, and we can contextually see the many ways this term was discussed. At this point, we can select one or multiple phrases. Let's select money damages, borrowed money, money market, and making money, and apply the filter. The results list narrows to just the documents containing the selected phrases. At this point, we could switch over to the viewer and start reviewing these documents. Or we can use other analytic tools to gain more insight into this data set. The visualization panel graphically displays smart filter values and their document counts. Only values that pertain to the documents currently displayed in the results list are visualized. Filtering to a data set of interest can help you visualize trends. For example, date spikes in email communications, high use of personal email domains, or the volume of reviewer tagging calls for specific field values. Viewing the visualization panel, we can see 1999 to 2002 is the time frame when these phrases were most discussed, with a peak communication in late 2001. It looks like these phrases were discussed most from October 2001 to January 2002. To apply a date filter, let's click on this date range to view these documents in our results list. The results list updates to reflect the filter, and the date range is shown in the current criteria panel. To change what information is displayed in the visualization panel, select the gear icon in the upper right-hand corner and choose the criteria from the drop-down that you would like to display. Alternatively, you can use the Type Ahead functionality to locate a specific piece of information. Let's look at sender address. Once we select Confirm, the visualization panel will display up to the top 10 sender addresses for the documents currently in our results list. If we are interested in a particular address, we can select the address to apply a filter and narrow our results even further. Note the current criteria panel now contains our phrases, date filter, as well as sender address.